Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Whether you're new to Snapchat or just looking for an easy way to share your favorite photos creatively, this tutorial has got you covered. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll be taken to the camera screen by default. Start by tapping the Snap button at the bottom of the screen, just like you're about to take a regular snap. This will allow us to set up the process for sending a picture from your camera roll. Once you've captured a snap, look for the plus sign in the bottom left corner of the screen where the snap thumbnail appears. Tap on it and you'll see several options. From these, select Import Media, which you'll find at the bottom right just below the flash icon. Tapping Import Media will open your camera roll. Here, browse and select the photo or picture you'd like to send as a snap. After selecting the desired image, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to confirm your selection. At this point, you'll see the image added to your snap timeline. However, since we no longer need the initial snap we took at the start, tap on its thumbnail in the bottom left corner. Once it's highlighted, select the trash icon to delete it. Now you'll be left with just the photo you imported from your camera roll. Next, tap Preview to open the editing screen. Here, you can add text, stickers, or filters to make your snap more personalized. On the right side of the screen, you'll find various customization tools to adjust the text size, color, or other elements. Take your time to ensure the snap looks exactly how you want it to. Once you're satisfied with your snap, tap on Send To in the bottom right corner. This will bring up your friend list. Select the person you want to send the snap to by tapping on their name, then hit the Send button at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully sent a camera roll photo as a snap. Thanks for watching.